Hello, this is Indices and Certs, lesson 3. In this, I will discuss examples on the basis of concepts that I discussed in the previous two lessons. Now, 243 is 3 raised to the power 5. 1024 is 2 raised to the power 10. But as you can see that the power is 5 here, so 1024 is also 4 raised to the power 5. Same thing, 2 raised to the power 10 or 4 raised to the power 5. This whole raised to the power minus 2 by 5 into 144 is 12 square, 49 is 7 square, 4 raised to the power minus 1 by 2. Now this becomes 3 by 4 raised to the power 5 to the raised to the power minus 2 by 5. This becomes 12 by 7 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power minus 1 by 2. The logic is this: a power x upon b power x becomes a by b power x. A power x upon b power x becomes a by b power x. Now you know that this will get multiplied. This becomes 3 by 4 power 5 into minus 2 by 5 plus 12 by 7 power 2 into minus 1 by 2. By the logic, a power x power y, when the bracket will be open, it becomes a power x into y. Same thing I have applied here. This becomes 3 by 4 power 5 into minus 2 by 5. This is minus 2 plus 12 by 7 power minus 1. Now again this can be solved like this. This becomes 4 by 3 power 2 plus 7 by 12 power 1. The logic behind this is that a by b power x, I explained in the basics, a by b power x is equals to b by a power minus x. When we change the sign of the power x to minus x, the fraction becomes reciprocal. So 3 by 4 power minus 2 is same as 4 by 3 power 2, and 12 by 7 minus 1 is same as 7 by 12 power 1. This becomes 16 by 9 plus 7 by 12. Solve it. LCM will be 36. This 9 4s are 36, 64, 12 3s are 36, 3 7s are 21. So your answer is 85 by 36. This is your final answer. Let's discuss the example 2. This says as 7 power 9, 35 power minus 6 and so on. These examples that I am discussing here will clear all kinds of concepts that are used in indices and certs. So 7 power 9 will be as it is. Now 35 can be written as 7 into 5 power minus 6. This means 35 power 9 power 1 by 5, because the basic concept is this: when I say x, this means x power 1 by y. So this means 35 power 9 was already there. So this means power 1 by 5 into 7 power minus 6 is already there. This becomes power 1 by 5. Now this can be written as 7 power 9, 7 power minus 6 into 5 power minus 6. This becomes like this, because a into b power x is equals to a power x into b power x. This becomes 35 power, bracket will open, power will get multiplied, 9 by 5, 7 power minus 6 by 5. Now this becomes 7 power 9 into 7 power 6. The base is same, the power will get added. So this becomes 7 power 3, 9 minus 6, 3 into 5 power minus 6 will be as it is. Now 35 power 9 by 5. This can be broken as 5 into 7. 35 is 5 into 7 power 9 by 5 into 7 raised to the power minus 6 by 5. Solving here, this becomes 7 power 3, 5 power minus 6. Now a into b power x, a into b power x can always be written as a power x into b power x as per the basics we discussed. This becomes 5 power 9 by 5, 7 power 9 by 5 into 7 power minus 6 by 5. So 7 power 3 into 5 power minus 6 will be as it is. Now this 5 power 9 by 5 will be as it is. Now 7 power 9 by 5, 7 power minus 6 by 5. When the base is same, power will get added. So 9 by 5 minus 6 by become 3 by 5. 7 power 3 by 5. Solving it. Now 7 power 3 upon 7 power 3 by 5. This becomes 7 power 3 minus 3 by 5. Divided by into, this will be not divided, 5 power minus 6 minus 9 by 5. This becomes, I'm solving here, 7 power 3 minus 3 by 5. This becomes 15 minus 7 power 12 by 5. 5 power minus 6 minus 9 by 5. This is 5 power minus 39 by 5. You may not get such a difficult question in exam, but objective of this question is to clear your concept how to apply the concepts of indices and surds in question like this. Next example, example 3. Now this is 5 root 7 something 5x minus 9. So we have to express the right side in that manner. So I will write, I'm always hold right hand side. This becomes 5 into 7 power 3. This into 5 power 2 power 3 by 2. This becomes 5 power 3, 7 power 3, 5. This power will get multiplied. 2 into 3 by 2. This becomes 5 power 3. So this becomes 5 power 6 into 7 power 3. This is 5 root 7 power 5x minus 9 is as it is. Now we can't make the power equal. We have to express the right hand side. Very important. We have to express the right hand side in the form of 5 root 7. So this is very important. 5 power 6 into root 7 power 6. Now why I have written root 5 root 7? This becomes 5 root 7. This becomes 5 root 7 6. Why I have converted 7 power 3 into root 7 power 6? Because I want left side and right side base should be equal. That's why I have written this. The reason being is that 7 power 3 can always be written as 7 power half power 6. Same thing. Because 1 by 2 into 6 become again 3. This becomes root 7 power 6. So you got 5 root 7 power 5x minus 9 is same as 5 root 7 power 6. Now the base is equal. Base is equal and base is not equals to 0, 1 and minus 1. Whenever the base is equal and the base is not equals to 0, 1 and minus 1, you can keep the power as equal. So 5x minus 9 is equals to 6. You got 5x is equals to 15. X is equals to 3. The next question is 2 raised to the power x raised to the power x plus 1 is equals to 256. First of all, this is not equals to 2 raised to the power x into x plus 1. Because we multiply the powers whenever there is a bracket. In this there is no bracket. So we have to solve differently as I have explained in the basics. So how to solve such kind of question? You can use the options. Let's use the option number first 1. 2 raised to the power 1 raised to the power 2. Now how to solve such kind of number? You have to solve from top. 1 power 2 is 1. 2 power 1. This is equals to 2. Not equals to 256. This is not our answer. Second option is 0. 2 power 0 power 1. Now 0 power 1 is 0. 2 power 0 is again 1. No, this is not our answer. Third option 2. 2 power 2 plus 1 3. As I told you, you have to solve for the top. What is 2 power 3? This is 8. What is 2 power 8? This is 256. So we got 256 and that is the answer. So answer of this question is x should be equals to 2. Next question is like this. This question seems to be difficult, but these questions are the most easiest question that you will find in indices and surds. Now what we'll do, as the bracket is there, you know that a power x power y, whenever there is bracket, power will get multiplied. This becomes a power x into y. So this becomes x into a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab into x power b minus c b square plus c square plus bc into x power c minus a c square plus a square plus ac. Now what to do next? Now there is a formula, you must know that a cube minus b cube is what? A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. What is b cube minus c cube? This is again same, b minus c, b square plus c square plus bc. So this is the same formula that I have written here. So this will become x raised to the power a cube minus b cube into x raised to the power, this become b cube minus c cube into x raised to the power c cube minus a cube. Now base is same. You know that the base is same, the power will get added. 2 power x into 2 power y becomes 2 power x plus y. So same logic, you become x power a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. This all will get cancelled. A cube to a cube, c cube to c cube, b cube to b cube. This become x raised to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So our answer for this question is 1. So these were the examples that used to come in all kind of aptitude exams on the basis of indices and surds. In the next class, I will continue with more examples on indices.